The Raspberry Pi was not really designed for kids. It was designed for a really wide audience, whereas this is really designed as a learning toy. It has programming and making at the heart of it, but it is really designed for a playful, fun experience.
Your company helped make the Microbit, which is a similar little computer that you can also program. That's not even on sale yet, so why have you made a competitor?
The Microbit is created really for schools and teachers and curriculum. This is created really for home use. It's created for kids to have fun and take it home, and actually for their parents to begin to be a part of this journey around learning technology, which is quite foreign to parents as well.